And these next problems, you need to know what a steroid ring looks like. And I've drawn it in previous videos. 6, 6, 6, and 5. And it can have different alkyl groups or oxygen or some double bonds in them, but you need all those carbons to know that that's a steroid ring. Now steroids, you need to know that they're produced in ovaries, testes, and the adrenal gland cortex, thus corticosteroids. So with those two things, with these pieces of information, where steroids are produced and what the steroid rings look like, we can go do the problems. So we have some statements. Substance X is produced in the male testes and is responsible for the development of the typical characteristics of the adult male body during adolescence. So this is just telling us substance X is a steroid. Substance Y is synthesized biologically in the ovaries and is responsible for regulating many aspects of pregnancy in women. This is just telling us substance Y is a steroid. Which, if any of the molecules below, might be a molecule of X or Y. So we're just looking for molecules that might be steroids. Here's our 6, 6, 6, 5 ring structure. It could be X or Y. Here's something with a completely different structure. This looks like retinol. Can't be X or Y. Here's our 6, 6, 6, 6 structure. That's not a steroid. And here's our 5, 6, 6, 5. Again, not a steroid. So that's all this problem is asking. It tells you some facts about steroids. They can be produced in 3 different places, but they're all steroids. And then you look at the 4 molecules and say, which of these has the 6, 6, 6, 5 that could make it a steroid? In this case, there's only one. I click check, and we're right. And we can do another quick look again, but you'll have your own problems that you can open up. Here they're saying it's not produced in the body, but it's a synthetic analog. So it's like something produced in the body. It's also going to be a steroid. This comes from the adrenal gland. That's where one place steroids are produced. So we're just looking for steroids. 6, 6, 6, 5 could be a steroid. I mean, it is a steroid. Could be X or Y. Completely different. Not X or Y. 6, 6, 6, 5 could be X or Y. No rings. Can't be X or Y. And that's all there is to these problems.